Hey guys, once again we're bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from Aliexpress and Amazon sites. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go. This incredible device goes beyond just being a clock. Its gravity sensing system offers a visual timer, digital hourglass, and Pomodoro timer all in one flip. Boost your efficiency and productivity effortlessly. Its USB-C output has got you covered if you need to charge your electronic devices. With a sleek LED light design, this timer is perfect for study sessions, kitchen cooking, and more. Plus, it can charge your iPhone up to 45% in 30 minutes. Are you tired of dealing with bulky printers and running out of ink? Say hello to the incredible portable thermal printer. This compact marvel uses thermal printing technology, eliminating the need for messy ink, toner, and ribbons. With its high-speed printing, you'll never experience paper jams again. It's 80% smaller and lighter than traditional printers, making it a breeze to carry. Connect effortlessly through Bluetooth with your iPhone, iPad, or Android device using the user-friendly Phomemo app. Looking for a versatile light that can go wherever you go? Say hello to the Rechargeable clip light. With its handy clip, you can attach it to hats, bags, or anywhere else you need extra lighting. This adjustable clip light delivers 170 lumens of brightness, perfect for various tasks. It even has a tilt feature and offers red and white light modes. And it recharges in just 2 hours and 40 minutes with a micro USB cable. Are you tired of shaky and unstable video? Upgrade your videography game with the 3-axis stabilizer. This device ensures smooth and steady footage, eliminating any unwanted camera movements. Its cutting-edge stabilization technology keeps your shots perfectly balanced, whether you're capturing action-packed scenes or creating engaging vlogs. With its lightweight design and user-friendly interface, this stabilizer is a must-have tool for content creators looking to make an impression on their audience. Meet the Tronsmart 60-watt speaker, a powerhouse that fills any room with exceptional sound quality. This Bluetooth speaker delivers rich, deep bass and crystal clear highs. Equipped with 2 tweeters, 2 mid-woofers and a subwoofer, its versatile light modes add a captivating visual element to your music. With its IPX6 waterproof rating and portable design, you can take the party anywhere, even for outdoor adventures, with the Tronsmart 60-watt speaker. Do you need a safe and weatherproof way to protect your valuable items? The mini Weatherproof Lockbox is here to help. This small and strong lockbox is designed to keep your belongings secure. You can customize the storage with the removable tray and specially designed compartments. It's made with tough T3 polymer material and is super durable. Whether camping or traveling, the mini Weatherproof Lockbox is the perfect companion. Plus, it has a long-lasting battery. Say goodbye to battery worries with the mini power bank. This compact powerhouse is equipped with an input and 3 output cables. Its pocket-friendly size makes it perfect for travel. Plus, with wireless charging and built-in Apple, Android, and Type-C USB cables, it's a versatile companion for all your charging needs. Don't forget its double LED flashlight and advanced security measures, keeping you connected and protected. Say goodbye to battery worries with the mini power bank. Do you want to keep your phone cool and charged? Say hello to the mobile phone radiator. With its USB charging port and cooling capabilities, this small device packs a powerful punch. But that's not all. Did you know it also offers mesmerizing color displays? This radiator is perfect with its wireless charging feature and advanced safety measures, such as metal detection and over-voltage protection. Experience faster cooling and charging with the mobile phone radiator. Introducing the DJI Mic, the must-have gadget for aspiring DJs and content creators. With exceptional sound quality and noise cancellation technology, this microphone elevates your audio experience, perfect for interviews, vlogs, and more. It delivers professional-grade audio that elevates your recordings. Stay powered up on the go with its convenient USB charging. Get ready to capture crystal clear sound and unleash your creativity with the DJI Mic. Transform your outdoor space into an enchanting wonderland with the mesmerizing Govee outdoor neon rope lights. With innovative RGBIC lighting effects, these lights create soft and spot-free illumination. It can be mounted on walls or used on your lawn. Their durable and weatherproof design ensures they can withstand any outdoor conditions, thanks to the IP67 waterproof material. With 64 scene modes and an astounding 16 million color options, you have endless possibilities to create the perfect Jet Lighter, the ultimate fire enthusiast accessory. Its compact and portable design ensures it's always within reach. With a high-pressure jet flame, this sleek lighter effortlessly tackles any lighting task. Its refillable design and adjustable flame intensity offer convenience and precision, whether for outdoor adventures or adding style to your everyday life. The Jet Lighter is a must-have tool. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you haven't seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Write in the comments which of the products impressed you most. Bye bye.